Alright, good day Royals, and welcome back to the Pip Stream. In this video, I will be going over a withdrawal process from ST Global Markets so that you can see that process right before your eyes. So in order to do a withdrawal, we shall be going to Funds, and then we can tap on Withdraw Funds. And in this case, we will select the account that we will be doing a withdrawal from. We are going to select crypto. Now, seeing as this is my first withdrawal from ST Global Markets, it says that you do not have any payment details saved. Please upload your payment details. So I will do that now. Now I will select cryptocurrency. I will select USDT TRC20. And now I would enter a crypto address. In order to get my crypto deposit address, I will simply go to my crypto exchange, which is OKX. Once inside, I can simply tap on deposit. In my case, I can either search for the token or I can simply tap on USDT. I will select the network, which is USDT TRC20. And here, I will get my wallet address. Now, I will simply copy this and paste it into somewhere that I can copy it and paste it into ST Global Markets. Now this would be the receiving address that the funds should go to. So I will click on submit. And now I have uploaded a payment address. Now I will click on continue. Now as you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount is 25 USD. And the commissions and fees will be 1% of that. And as you can see here, for USDT TRC20, that will be $2. Now, of course, what I will be withdrawing from here will only be roughly about 30 USD. If, of course, I want to include the fee, I can simply put 32. And what I will end up with should be roughly 31.68. And then I will tap on continue. This will be your confirmation page. I will click on continue again. And now you will see that the withdrawal will be pending. There is the option, if you may have made a mistake, to cancel your withdrawal. But in this case, we will check to see how long this transfer will take from ST Global Markets. And that's all that's needed to be able to do a withdrawal from ST Global Markets. And of course, once the cryptos reach my wallet address, I will of course show what it looks like. So, see you then. Alright, and welcome back. So I will be continuing from the previous video where we will check our withdrawal records. So in order to do so, I will come to funds and I will check my transaction history. And as you can see here, the withdrawal was approved. So now I will go to my exchange account, which is OKX. And once inside, I will go to assets and I will tap on USDT. And once I scroll up a bit, this will be the last deposit made. So I will tap on that. And here you can see the details for that transaction right there. So as you can see, even though I would have requested 32 USD, what would have hit my exchange account would be 29.2 USDT. And that is simply because the fees was extracted from that withdrawal request. So I hope this video was insightful, and until the next video, I trust that you all will have a splendid and awesome day, guys. Cheers.